About 5,000 historical items were found last year in the city of Luoyang in central China's Henan province. Cultural relic authorities said 500 of the items were promptly repaired and restored. Archaeologists excavated about 20,000 square meters of land to find the relics. Most of the items were found in 1,000 tombs that were uncovered by the researchers. Many of the tombs are of significant research value, including one group of tombs that dates back to the spring and autumn period. Luoyang is a famous historical city in China, having served as the country's capital over the course of 13 dynasties.